everyone, it's your girl EJ the Travel Diva coming to you today on National Rum Day. Now, I want to show you all how to make Caribbean Rum Punch. Just because you're not traveling does not mean that you can't bring the flavors of your travels into your house. And that's what I'm all about, making travel a lifestyle and bringing my Caribbean travels into my home so that I can enjoy things that I enjoy when I travel. I can enjoy them at home. And stick around and watch this entire video because you are going to be able to learn how to make Caribbean Rum Punch in your home and enjoy it just like you are on the island, man. You know, we're gonna have some fun with it. Before we jump into the ingredients of the Caribbean Rum Punch, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can know of all videos that I post about travel and lifestyle and how you can bring travel into your lifestyle at home. Alright, so let's dive into this Caribbean Rum Punch and get the ingredients in so we can start sipping. Okay, so first we're gonna do is we're gonna have 2.5 cups of pineapple juice. I'm using Dole pineapple juice. I know what size this is, so I really don't have to pour it into a measuring cup. So it's just 2.5 cups of pineapple juice. Because I know what size these cans are, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour those into there. I'm gonna sit these to the side and get rid of that, make some room on my workstation for you. Next, the same amount of orange juice, 2.5 cups of orange juice. I'm gonna pour those into there, get rid of that. Okay, next we're gonna get to the fun part of it. We're gonna take 1/2 cup of rum, and that's just regular rum. I'm just using regular Bacardi rum, and this is going to be 1/2 cup. I'm measuring that. I'm going to pour 1/2 cup into my pitcher. I'm going to put that picture right there so you can see that. 1/2 cup of regular rum, and then we're also going to add some dark rum. This is also Bacardi Black, some dark rum. You can use Caribbean rum, whatever kind of dark rum that you want to. And we're gonna do also, I'm gonna also pour 1/2 cup of dark rum here. I'm gonna pour that into my pitcher. And then to give it a little flavor, a little island flavor, we're also gonna use some coconut rum. So I'm gonna do 1/4 cup of coconut rum. That's a little more than 1/4, but who cares? We're having fun and it's our drink and we can make it however we want. So I'm gonna put those back here. Okay, next we're gonna have some fresh lime juice. Now you can take an actual lime, squeeze that into 1/4 cup, but you know, I'm a little lazy sometimes, so I'm gonna use this fresh lime juice and I'm going to squeeze it up to 1/4 cup. And I'm going to pour that into my pitcher. And then I'm gonna pour a little grenadine in there. And yes, these are things that I have in my house on a regular basis. Some of these things you should have in your house on a regular basis because you never know when you wanna have fun, when you wanna turn up, when someone comes over and you wanna be able to make a drink or two, you know? So we're gonna do 3 tablespoons. Okay, 3 tablespoons. Let me set this off to the side. Okay, now we have all of our ingredients in here. I'm going to just give this a little stir. And you see, this is how that color comes into play that you see when you're on the Caribbean beach. And they say, do you want some rum punch, man? Yes, man, I want some rum punch. Give it to me, hit me with some rum punch. Okay, so now we have it all in here. All we need to do now is add ice to our glasses. And I have some cute little glasses here. I love fun glasses. So I'm just gonna put some ice into this glass. And I only need one glass. It's only me here. I don't know why I have two. But I only need one glass. I'm gonna pour my rum punch into my cute little glass. And okay, so you all, I drink everything with a straw. I love straws, but you know, we have to be sustainable and we cannot bring harm to the environment. So I'm gonna use a metal straw, and of course I have my very own metal straws. Erica James Travel, have my own metal straws. I'm gonna stick that straw right in there and taste it and see how it is, man. It is delicious. It's delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh, it is. It's definitely giving me that Caribbean vibe. Okay, so try this recipe. I hope you love it. I hope you like it. Once you make it, drop in the comments below and tell me if your rum punch turned out the way you liked it, and if it brought that Caribbean vibe into your home, because that's what it's all about. We want to make sure we bring travel into your home. After all, travel is a lifestyle.